Experiencing no sound on your EE Box Pro can be frustrating. This common issue affects many users, but fortunately, most audio problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your box isn't muted by checking the mute button on your remote. Verify the volume levels on both your TV and the EE Box Pro. This simple check resolves many apparent audio issues. A simple power cycle can often resolve temporary glitches. Unplug the EE Box Pro for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This clears the device's memory and reestablishes connections. Check the HDMI connections by disconnecting and firmly reconnecting all HDMI cables. Look for any damage or dirt on the connectors. Try different HDMI ports on your TV if available. According to EE's 2024 support metrics, 78% of audio problems are resolved through HDMI cable replacement or reseating. This makes HDMI troubleshooting one of the most effective solutions. If these quick fixes don't resolve your audio issue, the problem might be related to your audio settings or HDMI compatibility. We'll cover advanced troubleshooting techniques in the next section. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your audio issues, it's time to explore the advanced audio settings on your EE Box Pro. These settings can resolve compatibility problems with modern TVs and audio equipment. The Audio Settings menu provides several critical options for resolving compatibility issues. The most important setting is the audio output format, which determines how your EE Box Pro sends audio signals to your TV or sound system. HDMI CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, allows devices to communicate through the HDMI connection. However, this feature can sometimes cause audio handshake issues, especially with newer HDMI 2.1 devices. Temporarily disabling HDMI CEC can help isolate these problems. Physical HDMI connections are often the culprit behind audio issues. Testing different HDMI ports on your TV and using high-quality HDMI cables can resolve many compatibility problems. Always use HDMI 2.0 or higher-rated cables for optimal performance. Samsung QLED TVs manufactured in recent years have specific compatibility requirements. Setting the audio output to PCM format and disabling game mode can resolve frequent audio dropouts that occur every 15 to 20 minutes during viewing. For users with Sonos Arc soundbars, the connection method is crucial for proper audio functionality. Instead of connecting the EE Box Pro directly to the soundbar, connect it to your TV first. Then use the TV's ARC or eARC connection to reach the Sonos soundbar. This prevents handshake conflicts and ensures reliable audio. These advanced audio settings and HDMI compatibility solutions address the most common audio issues with the EE Box Pro. Remember that PCM format provides the best compatibility. HDMI CEC can be temporarily disabled for troubleshooting, and proper connection methods are essential for external audio equipment.